Hello, it's Code Coach here. Today we're going to talk about foundation drainage. Good rule of thumb, and what the code is stating is that you want to have 5% slope away from your structure with it when you have greater than or can get 10 feet away from your dwelling structure, what have you. If you cannot get 10 feet away, whether it be a setback or property line, sometimes you have another building in the way, there's a lot of instances you're allowed to have a 2% slope. So basically, remember, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch fall away from the building. And another real important issue is right here, is your foundation drainage. So again, you want to maintain that slope away from the structure, but also see here, this pipe was placed in here and it was crushed. That's the footing right there. And that the foundation drain pipe was sat on top of that, earth was backfilled on top, and you see how crushed that pipe is. I mean, that's basically useless. See how that's all filled up with mud? Not doing any bit of drainage at all. The other issue with this is that it's not placed any type of crushed material that can pass through a 4-inch sleeve sieve. So basically what that is like a 57 stone or any type of rock, river rock. You want something that water is able to permeate through. If you have a sandy soil or a well-drained soil, then you actually do not need to have foundation drainage because it already has it. But if you have anything like we have here, which is red clay, topsoil, any type of loam, any of that type of material, you want to make sure to place your foundation drain. Ideally, you want to have 2 inches down of that loosely compacted rock. Then put your foundation drain in, then place another 6 inches of rock on top of that, and then that way your drain, and maintaining your fall, that way your drain will drain away.